So, good afternoon guys. Today we will be talking about chapter 4. Chapter 4 is all about delay. So, specifically, logic gate delay models. So, first we go to the type of models. The physical models is based on physical phenomena of the device. Empirical models based on curve fitting or quadratic or cubic, etc. So, no physical significance. Qualitative models store the data in a lookup table and do interpolation between stored data.
Next is the delay model history. The delay model history starts the year 1988 and it starts with a linear CMOS model, then at year 1992, NLDM. Next is the NLPM at year 1995. Then next is Open Liberty. Then between 1998 and 2002 is the open source. Next the LLDM, table-based noise. And next is the composite current source, which is also called CCS.
So let's go now to RC delay models. RC delay models are used as equivalent circuits to MOS transistors. So we have here an ideal switch plus capacitance and on resistance. Unit NMOS has resistance R, capacitance C. Unit PMOS has resistance to R, capacitance C. So the capacitance is proportional to the width, and the resistance is inversely proportional to the width. So this is the illustration of the RC delay models.
Next is the Elmore delay. Elmore delay, all transistors look like resistors, and pull up or pull down network model as RC ladder. And this is the equation of Elmore delay of RC ladder.
So delay components. Delay has two parts. The parasitic delay, which is 6 or 7 RC and independent of load, and the effort delay, 4H RC, which is proportional to load capacitance.
Next is the contamination delay. Best case, contamination delay can be substantially less than propagation delay. The example is if both inputs fall simultaneously.
So we have here a layout comparison. So we have two layouts here, so we are to figure out which layout is better. So to give you the answer, it is the second illustration. As you can see, there are less metals used in this illustration. As in this side of the VDD, 2 against 1.
Next is the effort delay. This is the two equation of the effort delay, the logical effort G and the electrical effort H.
So computing for logical effort. Definition of logical effort. Logical effort is the ratio of the input capacitance of a gate to the input capacitance of an inverter, delivering the same output current. So it measure from the counting transistor bits.
Next is the catalog of gates, the logical effort of common gates. This is the gate type and the number of inputs in a, for example, in one inverter, then quarter NAND, and so on and so forth.
So the same catalog of gates for parasitic delay of common gates. We have the number of inputs against the gate type.
Here is the delay plots. Normalized delay versus the electrical effort.
So multi-stage logic networks. This shows the flow of the gates.
Next, the limits of logical effort. The chicken and egg problem. It need a path of, I need a path to complete G, but don't know number of stages without G. Next, the simplistic delay model. Neglects input-rise time effects. Next, the interconnect. The iteration required in designs required. And last, the maximum speed only, not minimum area or power for constraint delay. That's the end of our presentation. Thank you.